Wakey, wakey. It's time to work out.
Hi everybody! Welcome to my channel. This time we will discuss funny alarms that are effective in waking you up in the morning. Who among us doesn't love a morning alarm? But wait, we have something different for you today. We'll explore some unique and entertaining alarm ideas that are sure to wake you up with a smile. Let's start with this alarm. You may have woken up suddenly while having a bad dream at night. But not this time. This alarm will wake you up and even throw you out of bed suddenly when the alarm goes off. Next, for those of you who are lazy about getting up early, you can use this alarm. When the alarm goes off, your mattress will move violently, shaking your body, causing you to fall off your mattress. This hand alarm wakes you up when it rings. How could it not be? When the alarm rings, the hand of the alarm will immediately slap your face repeatedly until you actually wake up from the dream. This alarm will make you immediately cold while you sleep. How could it not be? Very cold ice water is immediately splashed on your face when the alarm goes off.
Wakey, wakey. It's time to work out. I promise you, I won't be as harsh to you when you work out.
You won't like this alarm because when it rings, water will immediately rain down on your face. If it's this alarm, you might want to consider using it carefully. When it rings, this alarm will immediately shoot you in the face. These are some cute alarm ideas that can make your morning more enjoyable. Try the alarm that best suits your personality. Wake up with a smile because the morning alarm can now be a pleasant moment before starting your day. Thank you for watching, and may your morning be filled with laughter and joy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get other interesting videos.